Hi everyone. So today we'll be making a Valentine's card and I thought let's make a floral Valentine card and use papers rather than, making a clean simple card. So I start off with a piece of paper. This is a old paper by Craftangles called Felicity. Now again, all the products that I talk about, use, etc., as with all my videos, will be linked below for you all. So I stamped this girl first on a piece of Felicity scrap paper. I only need the dress and the sleeve portion of the same, and then I have fussy cut the same off camera. And then what I do is I stamp the same girl again on a piece of classic smooth white cardstock. This will actually form the girl which we'll be using for our card. Now I have used here classic smooth white, or you could also use dual textured, because I don't plan to do a lot of watercoloring. However, let's say if you wanted to do a lot of watercoloring on top of the girl, etc., or Copic coloring, etc., then use your paper appropriately. So use a watercolor paper or an alcohol ink friendly paper. In my case, I was going with very light coloring. So what I have done is I have created a blend for the skin color, which is a combination of a brown and yellow. So the colors that I'm using are Craftangles liquid watercolors, and I'm using that to color the girl, only the skin part and the hair part. And post that, I'll fussy cut the girl again out of the white paper, and then I'll use her as a focal point of my card. So now I'm using the exact same paper as my card base, and also I have cut out a piece of circle vellum piece from the Craftangle circle die. And what I'm doing is I have stuck the Felicity paper on top of my card base. Now this card base is Craftangle's Notelets 230 GSM card base, and then on top of it I have added some vellum, and on top of that I have foam mounted the girl just for an added dimension. And I'll stick this foam tape that we have created, foam tape situation that we have created, using some Fevicol on top of the card base. And for the sentiment, I have decided to keep it simple. Rather than stamping anything, I have decided to use Craftangles element pack. So these are sentiment sheets which are of love theme. So love sentiments 1 and love sentiments 2. I don't remember this is a part of which sentiments, but these are love sentiments by Craftangles. And that will complete my card. A very simple card. We don't do a lot of coloring. All we have done is using pattern papers and did some fussy cutting. So it's a very beginner friendly card, I would say. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.